Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Knowledge Transfer. In today's topic, we are going to cover what is split asset in Oracle Fusion and why do we use this concept. So let me give it a brief. Supposingly, let's say you have purchased two monitor and you want the invoice should be generated from the supplier. It should be like one HP laptops and one Dell laptops in invoice line says. But what supplier did is supplier had created a one line invoice stating is that two laptops and give it the amount as 5,000. Now, till invoice it is okay, but in the fixed asset level, we want to track those laptops as different laptops as 2,500 and 2,500 as an amount. And we don't want to club it and create one asset as 5,000. We want to segregate those lines and create it as two laptops with the sum of amount 2,500 and 2,500. Now, this is one of the good example is we will be for testing this process is we'll be creating an invoices with one line saying that it has consist of 5,000. A description it can be around of laptops, but the same 5,000 it has been transferred to the fixed asset. Now, when it has been transferred to the asset, it has came as around 5,000, but we will be splitting those asset and create it as 2,500 and 2,500, two different asset. We'll be looking into the system for more clarity. First, I want to give it as a brief, so I had given. Now let's check into the system for more clarity. I'll be explaining as well during the time of creation. Let me create an invoice, task list, create invoice. Creating invoice will be like the same process which you had used before. Nothing changes. Knowledge transfer, split asset 002 as 5,000, amount as 5,000. Sorry, yes. Obviously, we will be selecting here the asset clearing account so that it will be able to transfer it to the fixed asset. 17710 is the asset clearing account as a part of rapid implementation. Then validate it and post to ledger. Done. So we are good to transfer it to the fixed asset. For transferring it, invoice workbench, click on task list, click on create mass addition. Select the date as today's date. Select for which book you want to transfer it, RRR asset book, submit. And check it into the schedule process whether the process has been succeeded or not. So it's been waiting. Done. Now let's quickly jump into the asset workbench. And here you can see we have one asset with the amount as 5,000 as laptops. Click on action, click on add it. You can see as 5,000. Now we won't be able to split the asset based upon the amount. We will be able to split the asset only based upon our units. Means if you want to segregate the asset as one asset as it should be of 2,000, another asset it should be of 3,000. That's not possible right now. But let's say if you want to split the asset on the unit basis, let's say if you'll be giving it here as two units, means whenever we will be splitting the asset, this asset will be coming into the picture as 2,500 and 2,500. But supposingly, let's say we have given here 5 units, means it will be segregating the asset line and splitting it into the 5 different asset as 2000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000, and 1000. This is how the split functionality work. But we are here supposed to give it as 2, so we'll be giving it as 2. We can give it here as post, but let's save and close. It's okay. But we won't be posting right now. Laptop, sorry, laptop. Okay, check if anything is mandatory. Location is mandatory. Great. Ching, Then save and close. So here we can see we have the asset as ready to post status, but the unit it is stating it as 2. Select the line and you can see it over here. The split tab is not faded, means we should be able to split those assets right now. We just don't need to do anything, just select the line, click on split, click on yes, because it is saying as warning the this line source will be split into two lines. Why? Because it is taking it up on the basis of unit. Okay, and it is seeing it as one unit. It means two line, one line as another asset number, one line as another asset number. Do you want to continue? Yes. It's not that complicated. So it is done. Now let's see if you want to click on X and add it, change the description if you want. HP, save and close. Same way you can do it for Dell. Save and close. Now click on ready to post. We have two line. Select on or click on post all. Now refresh the page and come back again in this page asset workbench so that the ready to post status it should be turned it as 0. It means it has been moved to the recent addition tab. We will be seeing it. Click on asset. So it has turned it as 0 means it has went to recent addition tab. So for recent addition, click on task list, click on inquire asset, and you can see it over here 2500, 2500. So it has already came into the asset workbook. If you want to run the accounting, you can run the accounting, click on again, come back into the screen and click on view account. The accounting entry is same. It's not that different. So this is how the split functionality work in Oracle Fusion fixed asset module. So with this, we have completed the split asset line as well. Let me know if you, apart from this, if you want to learn any additional topic. So I will be creating that topic beforehand, before completing this on, because it's gonna take time. Mostly it depends upon my time, then only I have to create some of the video, but on the requirement basis I have to create the video a bit quickly. Let's say someone had comment into the comment box very week before, some week before, like he need rapid implementation, so I had created a rapid implementation videos and I had uploaded it into my YouTube channel before completing this one. So based upon the requirement I can do the same. So let me know if there is any additional topic you want to learn it. Thank you. I hope you had liked this video.